There you have it. You have now fully designed a shoe with a lot of dogs, and you can check your other views by clicking on the other view panel. You can also click on the color base to check if what does it look like on the white version of the shoe. So just to recap, we covered the header, branding it for free, starter, and then creator. We also tackled about navigating on the canvas with hover and clicks, switch views, save the design, add to cart, and we also designed it using the add text, photo, element, AI, and precise color tools. In the next video, I'll walk through saving flows step by step and add to cart behaviors in more details, so your designs hand off to check out cleanly. Install Biypod for free on the Shopify App Store. Link is on the description. Comment which product you want me to customize next. We'll have a session to design a cool pattern with any product.
Dropshipping, print on demand. Hey, that's Biypod.